Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show how you can actually change the language settings on your AMCON Satellite digital television. So if the language is not the preferred one that you want on your TV, and sake of that you can not get to navigate through the menu and then do the necessary settings, all you got to do is to follow these steps to change the language and set it to your preferred one. So all you got to do is to pick up your remote. You press on the menu button on the remote and use the arrow top and down to navigate through the options over here, and then you come down to the setup. You come down to the feature over here. That's the fourth option, and as you can see on this menu, you press OK on it, and on this menu you have the lock, you have the language, the clock over here. So you place it on the language option and then you press OK for it to open up, and we have the language option, the preferred subtitles as well. So you come to the OSD language, you press OK on it, and you can select your preferred language. You can place it on the French, Francais, Espanol, Arabic, German. So place it on your preferred language. Let's select the French, that's the Francais. You select and then you press OK on it, so automatically every settings over here will change to French, and that's it. If you want to change it to a different language or English too, you come back and you select it and you are good to go. So that's it. If you find this video helpful and you are new to the channel, all you got to do is subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you keep coming back home. Thanks for watching.